Good morning, everyone. I'm Dwiwati. I'm a postgraduate student at Indraprastha University in English education. Today, I would like to present fun and engaging ways to teach English as a foreign language to young learners. Teaching English to young learners is both exciting and challenging. Unlike adult learners, children have different learning needs and preferences. They are naturally curious, energetic, and eager to explore the world around them. However, they also have shorter attention spans and can easily to lose interest if the lesson is not engaging. Therefore, teachers need to create lessons that are interactive, enjoyable, and meaningful. In this presentation, I will explain the characteristics of young learners, discuss several engaging teaching strategies, and share practical classroom tips that can help teachers create a positive learning environment. And this is the outline. I will explain about what is EFL, why should learning be fun, and there are some method to teach English as a foreign learners, foreign students, and the latest is conclusion. What is it? What is EFL? First, let's understand what EFL means. EFL stands for English as a foreign language. It means students learn English in countries where English is not used in daily communication, like Indonesia. Young learners, especially children between 5 and 12 years old, have short attention span. They learn better when learning is active, enjoyable, and meaningful. Who is young learner? Young learners are generally children between the age of 5 and 12 years old. At this stage, they're still developing their cognitive, emotional, and social skills. Unlike adults, children learn best through concrete experience rather than abstract explanation. They enjoy exploring, asking questions, and participating in hands-on activities. They are also highly imaginative and enjoy stories, songs, games, and role playing. However, because their attention span is relatively short, teachers should vary classroom activities every 10 to 15 minutes. Most importantly, young learners need constant encouragement. Positive feedback helps them feel confident and motivates them to continue learning English without being afraid of making mistakes. Why learning should become a fun activities? Making learning fun is very important because children are naturally curious. When they enjoy the lesson, they become more motivated to participate. Fun activities also reduce anxiety, so students feel comfortable speaking English without worrying about making mistakes. As a result, they remember vocabulary more easily and become more confident. There are some ways to teach English. One of the best ways to teach English is through games. Games make learning exciting and interactive. For example, Simon Says helps students practice listening skills, while Bingo can be used to review vocabulary. Students often learn without realizing they are studying because they are focused on having fun. The benefits of using game in teaching English is to build vocabulary, to improve listening, and encourage teamwork. The second way to teach English in a foreign language student is through songs and stories. Song and storytelling are also effective teaching methods. Songs help children remember words because of repetition and rhythm. Storytelling allows students to learn vocabulary and sentence structures naturally. Teachers can also ask simple questions after the story to encourage speaking practice. The third method to teach English in a foreign language student is through interactive activities. Interactive activities encourage students to use English in a real situation. For example, role play. Role play allows students to practice conversation. Show and tells help them describe object confidently. Teacher also can use TPR or total physical response where students respond with physical action, making lessons more memorable and enjoyable. Technology in teaching. Today, technology has become an important part of education. Teachers can use online games such as Kahoot or quizzes and WordWall to review lesson. Educational videos and interactive websites also keep children interested. However, technology should support teaching, not replace the teacher. From my presentation, we can conclude that teaching English to young learners should be enjoyable because children learn best when they are engaged. Games, songs, storytelling, role play, and technology can make English lesson more effective. As future teachers, we should create positive learning experience that encourage children to love English. Okay, thank you very much. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.